do we incorporate our ESG and sustainability strategy in the overall EMICOOL corporate strategy?
Actually, we start putting the roadmap of our strategy, the new strategy 24-29, as you can see, and we have put the major enablers and accelerators, the ESG and sustainability, which is being aligned with the Dubai Energy Strategy 2030-2050. Also, the latest direction of the net zero by the government to reach the net zero by 2050. So we are aligned this. Moreover, the core values can see we have interactive, actions towards the environmental protection.
Dr. Radeep, focusing on our GHG emissions, if you can share our major scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions.
If we look, we have a lot of emission sources through district cooling industry, from the plant up to the pipeline, up to the supply chain, service delivery model. So we have put our strategy around three scope 1 and scope 2 and scope 3. Mainly scope 1 articulated around the fuel consumption of our fleet, and if there is any generation of electricity, which we have it all through the grid, and the refrigerant which is used for the chillers. Scope 2 mainly goes for the highest element, which is the electricity consumption, because majority of our district cooling plant is being operated by the grid. And mainly scope 3 goes back to the supply chain of the purchase, the capital goods and the wastewater, and all other activities such as the fuel and energy related to emission and the water consumption.
So Dr. Radeep, if you can share some insights on our upcoming net zero strategy and how we'll be fulfilling it in our long-term vision of 2050.
We have worked on identifying all the energy sources, and we have computed all the carbon emission. So the carbon emission that is being taken out of the plant, we are trying to, of course, to negate it to reach the net zero. So we have put a baseline. We have built our model, as you can see, the baseline. And from the baseline, we have put many scenarios how we can reach by 2050 to the net zero. And we have put all these scenarios and we have built it based on scientific basis, based on data available, based on simulation. So all this has been put all together to reach to the net zero, mainly such as the utility decarbonization and the increase in efficiency that we put for the plants and the mega district cooling retrofits that we have done. Also, we have studied the climate change impact. You can see the changes in the climate these days going from global warming to 1.5 degrees as they are talking about it, and all the studies that has been put. So we have taken all this in our model. In brief, we are committed to the UAE energy strategy, and we are committed to achieve net zero by 2050. It is also our commitment to the employee and to our families to protect the environment within the UAE and the Gulf region. Thank you so much.